Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you exactly how to access Appdata folder in Windows 10 so you can manage your application files easily. Step 1. Open File Explorer, also known as My Computer, from your taskbar or by pressing Windows +E. This is the main tool to browse all files and folders on your computer. Step 2. Click on the drive where your Windows 10 OS is installed, which is usually the C drive. This is where all system files and user data are stored. Step 3. Navigate to the Users folder inside the drive. This folder contains all user profiles on your computer. Step 4. Click on your username folder to open your personal files. If you don't know your username, open Command Prompt, type echo %username% and press Enter to find it quickly. Step 5. If the Appdata folder is hidden, go to the View tab in File Explorer and check the box for hidden items. This will make hidden folders like Appdata visible. Step 6. Click on the Appdata folder to access it. This folder contains important data and settings used by your applications. Step 7. Inside the Appdata folder, you will find 3 subfolders: Local, LocalLow, and Roaming. Each one stores different types of application data. Step 8. Use the Local folder for temporary files and application-specific settings that are stored only on your computer. Step 9. Use the LocalLow folder for files that need restricted access by certain applications, which helps protect sensitive data. Step 10. Use the Roaming folder for data that needs to sync across multiple computers, such as your preferences or settings for certain programs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.